Welcome to Catherine the Paint. How are you guys doing? I am going to do an 8x8 inch level 3 Artist Loft canvas tonight with the bloom technique. So it's the deep edges. So I'm going to do multiple petals here and then we're going to spin it out and see what happens. Hopefully we'll have a good outcome. So let me put down the pillow paint. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have covered the whole entire canvas with the pillow paint and I went ahead and covered the edges. So tonight we are using the Arteza Crimson Red. I put a little Mars Black and made a burgundy. No, that's not true. So sorry. I used the Crimson Red with a little bit of Ultramarine blue to make the burgundy. Then I used silver. I'm also using two primary elements, which is the Caribbean Mist and the pink Anthrurium. And I used a little bit of this ocean green from Master's Touch with some of the ultramarine blue. All right, so let's get started. So I think I'm going to do 4 petals today, or maybe 3. Let's do 3 petals today. And I want to do the colors in a different order on each petal. It's a lot of fun colors. I'm hoping for some bright contrast. So how are you guys faring with this whole coronavirus and social distancing and disruption of the whole entire way of our life? I really didn't think it was going to affect me much because my life is pretty much isolated anyway, but it really has affected me much more than I thought it would. So for one thing, you know, my grandkids are over at my house more because they're not in school. So that makes a difference. But I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain the differences that it makes. It really does, though. You get used to life being one way. You know, my mom is 87 years old, and so it's a real threat. But she feels isolated. She says she's isolated, and it's really sad. I hope this passes soon. All right, let's see. Oops. Kind of got messy there, didn't I? All right, let's see. I feel like I should put a little more paint down. I don't feel like I've put enough down yet for this size of a canvas. Oh, making messes. I have quite a few bubbles that are going to have to be popped too here. All right, let's pop some of these bubbles. How about that? Some major ones happening in here. Okay. All right, we will start with this puddle right here. All right. All right, now let's get this one. All right, let's stretch it out a little first, and then start blowing in a direction and try to float the white over the other colors. There's that one. One more. All right. There we go. Now we just need to give it a couple minutes to rise back up to the top, and then we will spin it out. All right, so I think it's been enough time. Let's just start spinning it out. Let's go the other way. All right. It's really pretty. I like that most of the canvas is covered. Maybe a little bit more. Let's spin it just a little bit more. was funny when I was young. My favorite color was yellow. I had my walls painted yellow, like bright yellow. And then my middle teens, like 14, my favorite color was a combination of pink and blue. And then later I didn't like pink and blue together, but now I wanted to try pink and blue. So I guess I'm revisiting my teenage years. What do y'all think about that? Yeah, way too old for that. All right, let's spin it just a little bit more. I think it looks really pretty. I like the negative space, and I will bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, here are the wet close-ups. I don't know which way is going to be up, but so far, let's just start here. It's the right lower corner. This bloom is really pretty. We go up to our second bloom. It's a lot of pretty details. Then over to our third bloom, where the blue is mostly predominant. There's still some pretty pinks. All right, there it is, and hold on and we will get a dried result. All right, here are the dried results for this one. Let's go in for some close-ups, lower right. I am loving this. I am loving the different action, and I like the composition. I like that it feels like flowers. So yeah, there it is. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.